This demo here is for the Cee Brewer Scientific 100GX. What we have here is, of course, the unit. It has a lid that locks. Gotta have to have air in for it to make sure that it will unlock it. You have your controller. You can get a manual tell you how to program it. Here's the side of it. The back of the system with the hookups. You have N2. You have vacuum for the chuck, N2 for the actuator that opens and closes the lid. You have your drain and your exhaust. Power. There is no back cover on the back right here. We don't know what happened to it. It came here with that, so it won't have a back cover. And then we have back cover for the electronics. There's the other side. Open the lid is just opening it up. I have a piece of tape right here so you can see the speed and see it spinning, because it's a very fast 3,000 RPM chuck. So we're going to close it back up. I'm going to come over here, and I put a program to run all different speeds. So we're going to hit run, reset, run, number 6, enter, and hit start. When you hit start, it's going to go right now, say pour vacuum, just to let us know that the chuck's not running right. So we're going to open the lid. I'll have the piece of tape here, and I'm going to close it up. The vacuum is coming right through the center screw. It's a vented screw, so you can go ahead and put a wafer on here and pull vacuum on it with the vacuum. Now you will have to provide a vacuum pump for it, or some kind of source of vacuum. So now that I have that on, now I'm going to hit start. As you can see, it lock the door. I can't open it, and you can see it's spinning around. What that would do is, normally you would take the top off right here, and you would make sure that your wafer is centered. If it's not, you would go ahead and just center it. Now once it's centered, then you go back over here and you would hit start again, and as you can see, it's spinning around, and it's set for 500 RPMs. And here's your RPMs, 500, and how much time is left. From the 500, it's going to go to 1,000 on step 2. And you can see it ramping up right now to 1,000 RPMs. And step 3 will be 2,000 RPMs. And the last stage will be 3,000 RPMs. decelerating. Now it's stopped, and you can see that it says unload spin chuck, which unlocks the lid. I can open it up, and it won't shut off until I allow the vacuum to go into that vented screw, and then it's ready for you to retest it all over again. And that is the end of the demo.